Y'all, she's walking in, and I don't want to miss the moment that we first meet each other. I want to capture that on camera, so I'm about to sit my camera here until she walks up. Hey! You met a friend? No, Callie. Callie. Here she goes. Look, Callie. You tired? Callie ready to go. Y'all, Callie was ready to go. She was basically hiding under me for the past like 30 minutes while hiding under the bench. So she was ready to go, but she seems to still have a lot of energy. So we are leaving Skip Town. I was a little nervous. I didn't know how Callie was going to act. That was her first time being somewhere like that, at a dog park, whatever. She did really well. So she was tired, so we left, because for the last like 30 minutes we were there, she basically sat under the bench and just stuck her head out. If a she may have stuck her head out, came out to sniff a dog or something, but she was ready to go. So I'm glad that I tired her out. But we are about to head home. I'm trying to see if I want to stop and get something to eat, or if I want to wait, because at 3:15, y'all, I will be meeting someone that I met off of Bumble. If you don't know what Bumble is, it's an app. You can go on there looking for friends, dating, whatever. So I was on there looking for friends, basically, because I'm new to Charlotte, and me and this girl exchanged numbers. We've been texting, and we decided to meet in person today. So I am really, really excited. We meet at 3:15 today, and it is 11:51. So me and Callie are gonna go home and chill out for a little bit, and then we're meeting at a wine bar too. It's a new wine bar. I think it's called 60 Vines. So I'm really excited. You excited, Callie? You want to see her? So anyway, all right, back up, Callie. All right, anyway, y'all, we're about to leave. We're in this parking deck. She getting slob everywhere. We about to leave. We in this parking deck. We about to go home. Uh-oh. Look how I zoomed in. We about to go home. Say bye, Callie. So we are back at home, chilling for a little bit until I'm honestly gonna need another shower, because I was out there sweating. But we're at home. I meet my friend, I guess. I meet my friend at 3:15. Just gonna put that in existence. We're already friends, right? Because we've been texting. Then I went to Chick-fil-A and I got the honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich, the new sandwich they have. This is my second time getting it. I had it, we have a Chick-fil-A at my job, so I've tried it. It's really good, and I always get it on the spicy filet. So I don't know, to show y'all what it looks like. That's what it, y'all see that? Baby girl. Y'all, this chicken sandwich busting. It just has jalapenos, pimento cheese. All I got is the sandwich too. I didn't get the meal. And I didn't even get a drink. I'm just gonna drink water because I have plenty of water here. So, about to eat this chill, and then I'll be back with y'all once I'm getting dressed or whatever. So, after a nap, y'all, this is what I have on. This is a little set I got from Fashion Nova. It's like a satin top and some shorts. I think they might still be wrinkled. Steamer and steam them some more, but I kind of don't care. I did this shirt. The shorts are not going to show that much, but this is what I got on. I had a set like this that's pink and they're pants, but they drag the ground so bad. So yeah, y'all, I'm ghetto. I got clothes hanging there that needs to dry, but this is what I have on. And then I have these earrings. Is it blurry? Is this blurry? This is what I have on, and I have these earrings on. And I didn't even put no makeup on for real. I put concealer under my eyes, and then I put some setting powder on. And that's it. I haven't even really been wearing makeup. It's been so hot, and I did define under my eyebrows and did a little pencil, but not much. So I'm about to finish. I tried to polish my toes at the last minute. I don't know why, because I low-key want to wear sandals. I'm either going to wear my Golden Goose sneakers, which I've seen. They got the glitter all over them. I'm either going to wear those. I like to wear those, especially when my toes are not done. And they still kind of give me a dressy feel. So I'm either going to put those on, but I did start polishing my toes. But I'm like low-key not sure if I'm just going to do that or sandals. Kind of want to do my Gucci slides because I never wear them. So I'm going to let y'all see what shoes I decide to wear. And y'all going to see when I meet my friend. So I'm on my way out. Y'all. Carrying this purse. Wearing the Gucci slides. Y'all, it is so hot outside. I am blasting my AC. Let me turn this down. But I just parked and I just texted her and said that I arrived. Well, I said I was here and I was parked in the parking garage. So our reservation is at 3:15. It's 3:05. So I'm like 10 minutes early, if I'm even really 10 minutes early. So I'm trying to see. I think I should just like head towards where we're going and then even tell them we're here and maybe sit down and wait on her, because I don't know how far she is. So I'm thinking I should do that. I polished my toes last minute and I'm curious to if they look a mess, but at this point, child, I don't even care. I'm here already and I don't have time. So I'll be back with y'all. I'm about to get out the car. I'm about to take my camera off the tripod, but I'm gonna try to remember to spin y'all around. But I'm gonna remember to I guess when we sitting at the table to put it on the tripod because it'll sit too low. I'm gonna try not to hold it under my chin. I'll be doing it. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. She's walking in and I don't want to miss the moment that we first meet each other. I want to capture it on camera, so I'm about to sit my camera here until she walks in. Hey! Nice to meet you. I'm recording already. Yep. It is. Hi.
Girl, I still couldn't find an elevator.
We got, hold on, I need to show the menu. Uh-oh. That sounds like my head is cut off. Camera might be fancy. That's right. My head is cut off. Oh, if we had a, okay, if we had a bigger table and we could have the cameras at the end of Yep. Because mine is cut off. I'm ready. You ready? Not you leaning over like. Maybe. Okay. I don't want to push it too far over. But yeah, my head's going to be cut off no matter what I do. Yeah. It's Kara. Yes. Kyra?
I'll double check.
Look, you trying it? She's trying it, y'all. We got a bigger table just so our cameras could show us more, basically. And they gave us a free appetizer? Yeah, they gave us a free appetizer.
Why they did that?
Right. Oh, you might think we cute. Okay, we'll take.
Alright, let's try to get this moving. Do you start in and pull out, or do you like?
I do in and out.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Do you mind being in it, or should I like?
I don't mind.
I don't mind. Sorry. I had a filter on it at first, and it was making me look blurry.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Did we get it?
You like it?
Yeah. Look at me smile. I was wondering why he was giving us this. I was like, why do we need this?
Oh yeah. And then he brought this over. Like, how was all this loafing on the table?
Right.
I think this one was like calamari, but this is really big. It looks like some pork chop.
Oh man, all of it's coming. So
They gave us a free appetizer. We
yeah.
have no idea what it is. We're about to try. Is it good?
Some sort of chicken to me.
Oh, it's chicken?
That's what it tastes like to me.
I gotta try it. It does look like chicken. I don't know why they sound like calamari. Unless I heard him.
Yeah. It's huge though.
Chicken and caviar. I saw it on the menu, but I didn't know.
Oh, okay.
Hey y'all, I don't mean to interrupt y'all. I had an extra fried chicken up there and I looked and I seen y'all and I just wanted to give it to you. Oh yeah, no problem. Is it good?
Yes.
Good, good.
That was nice. See, that's what happens when you do it.
Right. Right. We was ugly, he wouldn't have did that. Y'all, the chef then gave us something else for free. That looks like Brussels sprouts or something.
I think it is.
Yeah.
It looks
like
good,
us.
though.
Yeah, it does. Getting a lick up in here.
Definitely looking at something.
Right. Who you want to talk to, Chef? When we were sitting right there, because when you're sitting right there, you can look and see the kitchen.
Oh, girl, he was looking at you, because I didn't even know. I didn't even know.
I didn't think about that. I did not think about that. I'm like, yeah, he looking at, he got his eyes. Somebody here. And it's me.
You the whole time. Because I didn't even know that you could see it.
Go ahead and pick up the tab, Chef. He won't be mad.
For real. If I knew he was going to do that, I wouldn't have got the pizza.
Let me get a spoon.
Okay.
Are you single or like?
I am. like sweet, like
It's even like sesame.
yeah, that's what it kind of tastes like. Did something like that with it. So like my first, it was like the second day I was here. I seen this guy, he was tall, he had on like the basketball, like startup stuff, like whatever, practice stuff. I was like, he gotta be a basketball player. So I was looking at him, he was looking at me. He came up to me, we exchanged numbers, we texting. He asking me all these questions about me, like my single, you know, all this stuff, but not really telling me anything about himself. So I was like, well, let me ask him. So I was like, hold on, are you single? He was like, yes and no. Yeah, we have a lot of food. What do we got? And you can try some of my pizza if you want. I got spicy shrimp. No, not shrimp. Spicy sausage. So y'all, we had came to the conclusion. The chef has been sending food to our table. We were sitting over there at first, one of them tables, and I could see clean inside the kitchen. And he was like, he had some extra food and he seen our table and he just giving us the food. I never thought about that. Maybe he's interested or think I'm cute, so he just sent 2 things over here. If he paid for the tab,
Girl.
like
You
that's,
need to walk in that kitchen and get that man.
hey chef, how you doing? I just cut my camera on, but I didn't like actually hit record.
Oh, I didn't even get mine either.
Her birthday was last week, so this is a cheesecake. She has this cute blueberry cheesecake. So do you judge people by their zodiac signs? I try not to.
Unless it's a zodiac sign that I had a really bad experience with.
Okay, who you had a bad experience with? Probably like, I'm a...
So I had a bad experience with Aquarius men.
I'm an Aquarius woman.
I knew who you were. I knew who you were. My sister is an Aquarius woman.
Okay.
My sister, like, that's my baby.
Aquarius men, and I've even as an Aquarius, I've tried to date other Aquariuses. We're so nonchalant.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Yeah.
As far as men, like every zodiac sign, Gemini men are hard to read.
Yeah.
But I've talked to another Aquarius, like an Aquarius guy, and I was like, we were both nonchalant. I was like, this is going nowhere. Like, we're too nonchalant. We're scared to say what we like. What we expect or want from each other, and I'm just like, this is not gonna go anywhere. And then he was like so many years younger than me, so I feel like he was like 6 years younger than me. I was like,
Sometimes I'm trying to date a younger guy. I just can't do it.
it is. He was still wanting to like, I don't mind going out, but he was like still partying, like in college. Like, and he's not in college. He graduated, like he's out of college, but he's still partying like he's in college. Well, y'all, we about to leave. This is my girl Ree. We had fun. We enjoyed ourselves. We definitely gonna be hanging more.
We will. We definitely will.
Yep. Y'all gotta subscribe to her YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it
Yes.
in my description box. But it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, boo.
We enjoyed, y'all.
I know my eyes look so low right now.
Right. We tipsy. We about to go home. All right then.